AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, welcome, good morning to the Micro Soldering Show. And today, on this beautiful Friday, end of the week, only one more day to go, or 2 days, today and tomorrow. And then week is over. And today in the morning we just started with an iPhone 7 which has got no Wi-Fi function, and I can't activate it because it just didn't recognize any Wi-Fi network. So I want to show that to you on hands, and here you see there is no Wi-Fi function. Okay, so I could activate it, I could try to activate directly on the PC, but I have no Wi-Fi function at all. So I just want to fix that. Here you can see nothing. Okay, I just want to fix that. So I turn off the phone, I disassemble the phone, and I try to fix the no Wi-Fi problem on this iPhone 7. I think we had one video a day this week, so I try always to give you one a day, and I give my best to realize that. On some days I just can't do it, but I think normally I always get it, and I hope you like that, and I hope I can help you with these videos. So if you like it, just give me a comment, just give me some thumbs up, some likes, and we need to grow up. We are now at about 1,300 followers on YouTube, and for me, I just want to grow up with this channel and to get some more subscribers. So just share my videos if you like it, and give me some love for that. Okay, so the phone was already opened, the battery has been already changed, replaced on this phone. I take all components out of the phone, or I take the board out and disconnect all the components. And after that we can just take out the board and start with the repair. Take your tweezers, just get away the antenna wires, get out the SIM tray, and we should get out the board. Yes, here we are, and we're just starting by removing the Wi-Fi IC, the Wi-Fi module, and reballing that. Okay, I just go to the enhanced camera, to the microscope camera, and we can see what we have here. Okay, let's start by removing the glue. One, two, three, 4. Okay, Now we can just take out the Wi-Fi module. Now I just need something to get down here. We have done. We are done. The Wi-Fi module is out. Just want to take a picture. Okay, now we just clean up the board. And I get the sticker on the top away. I will replace it later, just for the case that some flux comes in here and later I have no clean work, and that's not the way I want to go. I want to see clean work. And I want to do clean work. I have to start the dust absorber, 1 second. And you see, I just take off the solder and try to get away the underfill too in one step. Okay. Now I just need my brush. Wipe. And we clean up the board by using some heat and our glue removing tool. Done. Very clean. Okay. Now I just want to clean the Wi-Fi module itself. this error often happens after drops. So the phone drops down and solder joint breaks, and then we have problems like no Wi-Fi. So the best case is that we only have to reball the module. The worst case is that the module is broken. Then we have to change the module, and we have to do an unbind. So we have to take out the NAND, unbind Wi-Fi, and getting back the NAND. I hope that in this case it has been done by just a reball of the module. Okay, we just do a reball using our Kianli gold stencils. $183 paste. I use the Kelly Shun in this case. You can see we can lift up the stencil and doing the reball without stencil. I want to take a photo of that because it just looks nice. Hey. Why? Now, okay. Okay, done. And what I do now is just to get some more flux directly onto the IC, so I don't have to use flux on the board. Done. Okay, looks nice, and now we just solder this chip back to the board again. See, it moves, and it has been done. Waiting a short time for cooling down. It's 183, it goes fast. You can see it has been done. Using the brush to clean. A wipe for pushing after cleaning. And this looks good. Okay, now we take a board and just test if that works. screen. Connect the ambient light sensor to don't get a dark screen on boot. Connecting the battery and starting the device. Hello, like before, and now I just want to see if Wi-Fi works again, and boom, back to life again with our iPhone 7 after no Wi-Fi. Just a quick and fast reboot of the Wi-Fi module of the Wi-Fi IC on the top, cold solder. Because of that we didn't have any Wi-Fi function. We are done. You see, it's a fast work. Just within 15 minutes you can fix a problem like this. What I want to do now is a complete functionality test of the phone. Then I want to clean the board completely. After that I renew the glue stickers, and then I assemble the whole phone and get it back to the customer so he can use the phone in a full way and he has Wi-Fi again. Okay, that's what I want to show you within that video. I hope you like it. Give me some thumbs up and share my video, subscribe, or what you want to do. Okay, I'm out. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at the Board Level Repair School Germany. And if you are working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can just join our Facebook group Smartphone Repair Group Germany. But please answer the questions, otherwise you won't be accepted. And yeah, by the way, where is my ICC Pro? I just don't know. Ah, here it is. On every table of every technician in this world, I want to see that tool. Just buy the new amazing ICC Pro. Okay, I'm out. We'll see you with the next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Boom. Back to life again. Here's Ben.